Si Rafi just announced, taga mo sa bato, hindi siya tatakbo for a higher office. So, kinaklaro niya. Is he trying to declare early na hindi siya tatakbo? Kasi may timing din ata yan, para in a way, tulungan na yung mga pwede pang tumakbo.
Yes, exactly.
Is that deliberate and calculated on the part of Senator Rafi Tulfo? Do you think so?
Yes. Pero, hindi sarado si Erwin na tumakbo for a higher position.
So is he declaring early that I'm not running, hoping that it's going to move, the attention will move to his brother?
Posible. Dahil nga, yung brother niya, kahit matalo o manalo,
Senador pa rin.
senador pa rin.
Nothing to lose.
Si Rafi,
All to gain, nothing to lose.
yes. So, tingin ko, isa yun sa mga variables dito. Sa pagsalita ni Rafi na 100% di
Too
ako
early.
tatakbo.
It's
Pero
also
actually,
too
sinabi na yan a year ago pa eh.
Yeah, pero in a press conference, very categorical, itaga mo sa bato. Parang kung magiging malikot ang utak mo, parang may tinutulungan siya. It could be his brother.